Hi, in this video I would show you how to model shapes in Blender. These would be how to have edges, how to have smooth surfaces, how to make cutouts in flat surfaces. All these kind of things that probably you would combine together to create larger shapes, more complex shapes. So let's start. Right click on the cube, delete it, shift A, create a plane. Okay, now let's say I increase the size of the plane. Let's say you want to have a plate with a circular hole in the middle. What do? Okay, by the way, before proceeding on with this video, you should watch the introduction video of Blender 2.55 by me. That would help you in understanding, how to use various keys, how to switch between edit and object mode, how to dolly, how to pan, and do a lot of other things like zoom in, zoom out. It's an introductory video which explains a lot of things that you should watch if in case you are very much new to Blender. Okay, so what we do is create loops. Let's say two like this and two like this, and then we go into the face mode, choose the middle one and delete it. Now if we choose the modifier subdivision surfaces and increase it by one more, now you see it's like a plate which has a hole in the middle. The edges are not sharp, so now to sort that out, what you have to do is basically create more loops and take that loop close to the edge. Same way you have to do it this side. If you want to move the loop slowly, even though your mouse probably is actually taking the loop very quickly towards either side, what you do is, to make sure the movement is slow, hold the shift key and then move the mouse. So I just, let's say, take it here and I hold the shift key and move the mouse, and it goes very slowly, and I left click and leave it there. Now you see there's a plate with a hole in between, neat and clean. Okay. In case you, let's say, want to maybe let's do some other thing. Let's delete this. Let's say there's a cube. You want a cup kind of thing out of this cube, although you can do the same thing with the cylinder, but let's say we want to do with this cube. So what you do is, I don't know why my mouse is acting weird today. Okay. So what we do is, we choose the face, press escape, press E, press escape, and inset little bit. Again we take it down. We can see what's the scene like using pressing the Z key actually makes it see through. So we have to take it up to this place and leave it. Now press Z again and we get this. If we choose subdivision, it becomes very weird. I don't want this kind of cup. This is a very weird cup. So why is it like this? Because you see there are a lot of surfaces here, so this top edge is pulled by these surfaces like a magnet, whereas the bottom has no strong surface along the side to pull it the way it is being pulled here. So what we do is we create loops Also to make the, see right now the edge, you know, of the cup is very sharp. So how do we make it smooth? We create loops like this, okay, and then like this. Now to make sure that the cup is little flat along the side and has a flat base also, we create a loop like this and come out, increase the subsurfing, and here we have kind of smooth flat cup. You want a handle, you can do is to have a handle, you can have an edge loop here, one edge loop somewhere here, one more edge loop somewhere here. I can select this loop by holding the Alt key and right clicking it, and I can press Ctrl E and click edge slide and slide it down more. Okay, and I can create one more edge loop and bring it here. Now what I can do is I can probably now what I have to do is this is becoming a little complex because the problem is that this is not a, so we have to create loops this side as well as this side, two of them, okay, same way this side, to equalize the effect. We'll make it a nice looking, reduce the size like this, and let's choose this, slide, slide down, face, extrude, rotate it. Okay, I press R and I press I press R and I press X. So I have to rotate it along X axis. Yeah. So maybe what I can do is just press E and pull it a bit, press E again, pull it to here, make one more cut like this, and same way for this. Press E once, press E once more, press E once more, and now what I'll do is I'll join these points. One, I'll right click on this one while holding the shift key, right click on this, press F and they join. Choose the face mode, delete this surface, this face, delete this face. Again choose this one and this one. Oh, sorry, this one was selected by me. I just removed it. Okay. To deselect, actually you use you press the B key and you hold the middle mouse, drag and leave. Okay. Now select these and same way. Now the scup, if in case you want this to be a little better, you can do a lot of stuff. Press the Z key, choose optimal draw. Okay. This. I guess this should be enough. Like this.